Hello. So we are going to give a demo of WhatsApp chatbot, and this chatbot is connected to a Shopify store. So all of the information, data, and products will be coming from a Shopify backend, and the chatbot will be showing them here. So this is really a pre-sales chatbot. So we'll also get a separate video for post-sales part of the chatbot, and then we'll also create the same videos for Messenger chatbot as well. So our chatbot really starts with hi. So if a user sends hi, then it will send a welcome message. So now here you can see we have options like browse all categories and view products on sale and search for products, view catalog, check order status, view your cart, view FAQs, and talk to a customer support agent. So the chatbots will greet the customer like this. So let me start uh, with option 0. So I will start with browse all categories. So now it is showing me the categories from a Shopify store. So these are basically all the collections or categories of items which are described in a Shopify backend by an admin. So I can select any category from this and see what items I have here. So let me select 5 for new arrivals. So now it is sending me pictures of the products which are inside this category. So for our testing purpose in our store, we have 3 items. So it is showing all of these 3 items with numbers and price. So I can select from these. So I will just say 1, and it will give me more information about this particular product called printed Khadar kurti. So now it is showing me 2 options for this particular product. So you can see the pictures. So it is giving me these 2 options called large and small. So I have these variants. So I can select one of them. So I will select small. So now it is showing me that I have selected this particular product with this variant. So now it is asking me, do I want to purchase this product or not? So I will just say yes. So I will send Y for yes. And you can see at any moment I can see what is inside my cart, or I can go back home to start over, or I can go back to the previous message. So I will just send Y for yes. So now in this next message, it is showing me what is inside my cart. So this product has been added in my cart. So I can see the item, the quantity, the price, and the total price. So here I will go ahead and add another item. So I will just go to home. But first, let me show what options I have. So I have these 4 options here. I can remove an item from cart. I can update the quantity for an item. I can clear the cart, or I can proceed to checkout. So I will go back home by saying H, and it will take me to the home screen or the home message. So you can see I have an option called search for products. So I will just go to this. Now let's say I want to search something related to bed. So I must have an item which must contain the word bed inside its title. So I can see I have these items in my store. These are bed sheets. So I will select, let's say, second from them by saying 1. So now it is showing me options. That what options I have. I have small, medium, and large. So I will just select medium by sending 2. And now it is asking me, do I want to purchase this product? So I will say yes. And now it will update my cart, and it will show 2 items inside my cart. So you can see it is now showing me 2 items. It is showing me first item with quantity 1 and price 23, and the second item with quantity 1 and price 12, and the total price 35 PKR. So I will also show the option of updating the quantity for an item. So I will update the quantity. So now it's asking me which one of these I want to update. So I will update the quantity for, let's say, kurti by setting 0. So it is saying currently I have one of these in my cart. So it is asking me the new quantity. So I will say 3. So now it should update the quantity of this item in my cart. So you can see inside the image as well, it is showing that quantity is 3 and the new price is 59. And now it has updated all the items inside my cart, and it is also showing that new total price. So now I can go to proceed to checkout. So now proceed to checkout has a couple of options. So it will ask me whether I want to do cash on delivery or electronic payment. So I will do cash on delivery. So now I hate being working with this chatbot. So it has already captured my email address and my mailing address from my previous orders. So it is asking me, do I want to update the email address or address, or I just want to proceed with the checkout? So I will say I just want to proceed with the checkout. Okay. So now what we can see here is this, that it has created the order for me, and we can see the items inside the order with pictures, and also it is giving me the order number, which is 1096, and it is showing me what items I have, what is the quantity and price, total price, and address. And at the end I have option to go back to home, or I can also get the PDF invoice of this particular order. So if I just send so it will show me the PDF invoice by sending me an PDF attachment. So you can see they have sent me a PDF file that I can open and view inside a PDF reader, and it contains the invoice. So it is telling me what items I have purchased, and what is total, and what was the price, and billing address and shipping address, all of this information. So okay, so I think this is all. So in my next video I'll be showing you the part of post sales, and inshallah we'll be also looking at messenger then.